Let's get one more good candle close here. If we respect CE here now. Oh, and Price loves it, you guys. And Price loves it. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to day number 9 of the eval with Alpha Futures. Yesterday, we tried to record day 9 and we just didn't end up taking a trade. Yesterday, Fed Chair Powell did have a speech, so that was our kind of first big news event that we've seen in a while after the government shutdown, everything being tentative and all. All right, well, you guys know where to start. Number 1, we're going to take a look at what news we have for today. Forex Factor Empire State Manufacturing Index already came out at 6:30, which is an hour ago my time. All right, now we got to get through our high time frame analysis here. So number 1, we're going to start at the weekly. I believe we're still bullish, right? We had a little bit of this sweep candle here, and we had a weird candle close, but we also had like a new week opening gap candle open way up here, right? So bump down to the daily. We're gonna take a look. A lot of the same. We are within a daily fair value gap right now, so we're gonna see how we react based off of that. I guess I don't need to have that marked out. Max Deluxe, what's up, brother? Hopping down on the 4 hour. We are coming up into that range here. This whole fair value gap is I would like to see how we react from it. Scaling down to the 1 hour, we are in another, or in the 1 hour fair value gap. Rosha, what's up? H Trade, what's up, brother? 1 hour. Let's go to the 15-minute now. Not seeing very much. We are going to take a look at our high time frame SMT, and I think that's kind of above all for me right now. But other than that, let's take a look at our session highs and session lows. Starting at 18, we have our Asia session. Right here. This is our lowest point within the Asia session. Very decent. And then starting at 1 o'clock, we have our London session. So right here is our London session low. Perfect. Very good, very nice. And then up here, we got our London session high. Sweet. Now from up here, we're going to take a look at our 2 charts. We got MES on the right, MNQ on the left. We're going to also mark out our session highs and session lows. Right here and right here. Very good. We're going to mark out our Asia session as well. We look for those SMTs. Beautiful. Okay, now let's scale up to the hour. Let's look for a high time frame SMT. We're going to do this kind of quick. Yes, and just like Use called out before, we do have our high time frame SMT up here. And where's our high? Right here. Perfect. So we have our high time frame. This is a bearish SMT for me. Well, it's a bearish SMT regardless, not just for me. Anything else to mention? I don't think so. Well, we have our high time frame. This is then going to show on the 4 hour, possibly even the daily. But that's all I need to see. All right, now let's scale down. We do have market open 2 minutes ago. And let's get ready. Wes, how do you decide if it's a bearish or bullish SMT? Good question. So look at the start to this here. Anyone take the CE entry this early? Me personally, I'm not, right? I'm just a very picky trader. I need to see my HTF, my LTF, SMTs, and then an imbalance made from there, and then a retest of that imbalance. So I am not taking that. For me, I wait 15 minutes after market open. Yeah, I tend to give market open a little bit of time. Definitely, or higher time frame bias is definitely a buy. But I mean, with our high time frame SMT and our low time frame SMT, I honestly don't think it's a bad idea to sell either. This would have been my trade. Just a little too early into market open for my liking. We have a high time frame bullish, low time frame bullish. We make an imbalance after a sweep. With that sweep, we see an SMT. Right here at this inverse fair value gap or this imbalance that we could possibly print right now, I could be trading off of already at 15 minutes market open. What I want to see is this imbalance be made. Come into CE and take off. That's what I want to see. Five-minute inverse fair value gap sell that H trade was talking about. Boom, CE. Jeez. It's honestly a little bit of a bearish candle close for me, especially how high we went up there. But that would have been a great one. So we got equal highs up here. Boom. Okay, there we go. Okay, we eliminated our bearish SMT, which is nice. Man, no, with these imbalances, they would have been nice to trade off of. That would have been sweet. Peso, what's going on, bro? $100 bull run without entry. Hell yeah. Dude, seriously, what the hell? All we had to do was retrace into a fair value gap. No matter how small a fair value gap is a fair value gap. Absolutely, bro. Size doesn't matter. Lock in, lock in. We're going to see how we react off this imbalance. If we get another bullish candle close, I like that we wicked through this imbalance already. Kind of indicates to me that we are sitting pretty. I'd like for us to target something like this. All right, let's lock in. I like that we've wicked through that inverse fair value gap already. Stops are going to need to be below CE, and we're in. Just like so. We respect CE now. We got to have a good candle close. We gotta see a reaction here if we're bullish. If we don't see a reaction, that's we'll be seeing stop loss here pretty soon. Price action when I enter. Come on, Wes, win this baby. Let's go. Yeah, we got a tough candle close down under. You guys know how to turn it on, right? One full rotation clockwise. Boom. Now it's on. John Pork holding the magnet. Oh, fuck yeah, you guys.